Hi guys, welcome to the third tutorial of Solidworks. So in this video we're gonna learn about how to use the line command. So first of all, go to our home button and select a new part here. So now that we have opened up a new part, you can see part 1 is written over here, which is the default name of this part. We can change it by saving this file. Now here, if we want to create these sketches on this graphic area, we need to work on a plane. So the 3 planes are given over here. So we are now only creating these sketches, so we can choose any of these planes. So I'm going to choose this top plane. When we click on this top plane, we can see tooltip here, sketch tool. If you want to hide the plane, just click on this button, and if you want to zoom to a selection, just click on this button, and if you want to normalize the plane to a screen, just click on normal to. So just click on the sketch button and you can see it automatically normalizes to our screen. If it doesn't, we can go to options here, and under the system option you can see this tree. Just click on sketch and just turn on this auto rotate view normal to sketch plane on sketch creation and sketch edit. Just check it and click on OK. Now the next time when you select the plane for a sketch, it will automatically get normalized. So now go to our line command, just click on this line command or press L from your keyboard. Just select this and we can see here 3 areas which says message, orientation and options. Now here, if you want to create a normal sketch, set orientation as a sketched. Here you can see our pointer has been converted into a pencil. So when we select a point on the screen, a line segment gets connected to our pencil. So when we select the next point on the screen, we get a line segment. Now when we reach to our third point, we can see some dotted lines in yellow color. These are the tracing lines. We can use these tracing lines to create some straight lines. Select multiple points to get multiple segments. You can press escape from your keyboard, or you can just right click on this screen and select this select option. Now we have exited the command. Now if we want to delete this sketch, just make a selection, drag your mouse and press delete from your keyboard. Now go to line command again. Now let's use some more options such as orientation as horizontal. So if we want to create only the horizontal lines, just click on horizontal, and when we select any line segment on this graphic area, we get only the horizontal lines. So these lines will never go vertical or at any angle. Just click on OK and we get these are horizontal lines. Now if you want to create only vertical lines, select orientation as vertical, and when we select these lines on this screen, we get only the vertical lines. Just click on OK. Now here, if you want to create these lines inclined at an angle, just click on angle, and we can set the parameters as length and angle here. So if we want to create a line, let's say 60 mm, insert 60 from your keyboard and press enter. Now here I want this line to be inclined at 35 degree, press enter. Now when we select a point on this screen, we can get this line we want it. Just click on second point on anywhere on the screen and we get the line segment. Just click on OK. Now move over to these options. We can also use this option with the combination of any of this orientation. So first of all, I'm gonna clear this out. Just click OK, make a selection and press delete from a keyboard. Just go to line command, and now at orientation as a sketched, we want to use these lines only for construction. So just check this for construction, and when we select this line on the screen, you can see it is some dash type. So these are the construction line which do not take part in our 3D modeling. It is just to support our sketches here in this sketch environment. Just select this and delete. Go to line command, and we can use multiple options here for any orientation, such as sketched. We can use for construction and infinite length. So when we click on our screen, let's say I'm selecting this origin, we can see an infinite construction line is present here. So when we select any point here on the screen, we get an infinite construction line. If you want to go again, just click here. If you want to create this line as horizontal, you can see a yellow icon with the pencil is given over here, which is representing this line having horizontal relation. So just click on here, we get a horizontal line. Same as we can select this line for vertical. When this yellow vertical symbol appears, just click on it and you'll get a line at 90 degree. Just click OK. Just click OK again, and I'm gonna clear it out. Just select and delete. Just go to line command again, and we can do the same thing with this horizontal orientation. Just click on for construction, and if we want the line from the midpoint, just click on midpoint, and when we select a point, we can see it is going in both directions from the midpoint. Just click on OK. Now we can just play with these options. Just use it with any of these orientations. Like if you want to create a vertical infinite length, just click on vertical and infinite length, and you get an infinite length line. Click on OK. Now if you want to create a vertical line only for construction or of infinite length, check both these options and you'll get a construction line which is vertical orientation. Just click on OK and click on OK again to exit the command. Just go to line command again, and now the same thing we can do with the angular lines. Just click on angle, select for construction. If you want infinite length line, select infinite length, and when we go to the screen, just click on this origin, click on any point, and we can provide angle here, let's say 65 degree, and the line will align at 65 degree from the horizontal. Just click on OK. Now here you can see when we have selected the angle orientation, we get a one more option here which says add dimension. So when we check this option and create a line on our screen, we can see we have got some angle dimension and this line dimension. Just click on this screen, right click and select to exit the command. We will talk about these dimensioning in a further tutorial. Go to line command. And we can also create these angular lines with midpoint. Just uncheck add dimension. And we can also create this line with midpoint. Just click on anywhere on the screen, right click and select. So now that we have learned a basic tutorial on line segments, there is one more thing you should know. Like when I created this sketch here, and lots of sketches on my screen, and if I want to create sketches in this area, and if you want more area, just we can pan it over here. So to pan the screen, just press Ctrl and the middle mouse button, press and hold both the buttons and move your mouse towards this direction. Now here you can get this area, and now you can create any line segment in this area. We will learn about more of these sketches, the sketch tools, and some techniques and dimensioning in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.